Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to disable notifications option. So first click to start and type run, open this, then type registry. You can see after that click on yes for the administrator access. So this is a registry. So current user extract. So guys, you are changing anything in your system. First guys, take backup of your registry, click to file and export. Okay, old, any type of name you can save it. Select the desktop and then save. You can see this is your registry backup. Okay, then current user, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows, Windows, then current version, then push notification. Okay, in the push notification, right click, new, and DW audit 32 value, click on it. Okay, and then type T tap capital O A S T E enable. Okay, and then hit enter. Just double click. Value is 1 means disable. Okay, if you are select 0, then also disable. Okay, if you enable it means, so right click and delete it. Right click and delete, and after that it will show all the notifications. Okay guys, thank you.